Hey guys, also Sky Thippernell here. Welcome back to a brand new question video. So today this is going to be another laughter related question. So let's go on to the question. Okay, Ashley, what you doing? What you doing? Okay, which one of these two things makes you laugh the most? Is it people making weird noises, or people's old and new jokes? If you do know the answer already, then make sure to put your answers in the comments down below. But just in case the comments are turned off because of YouTube and Copa, like always, then make sure to go to one of these 4 links or go to Discord to answer this question. Easy, easy. I know. I know. Yep. Anyways, my Discord name is always going to be in the description down below. Ashish, I knows. I knows. Okay. In case if you guys don't have one of these websites or apps, make sure to download them, get everything situated, then answer this question. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos with Tiger and Ozzy in them, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. And yeah, so I gotta get going. You guys are awesome. I love you all. And see you guys next time. Bye.